Hello and welcome to 7045 Pinehaven. We're up in the Oakland Hills here. It is so incredibly peaceful and quiet. This is a huge single-family house. So we have our front entryway here. Just up the stairs, that's where the garage comes in. All the rest of the living quarters are downstairs, so let's go ahead and step down there. Our big master bedroom is right here. You can overlooking the hills. Walk-in closet, as well as additional closet space, and a really nice master bath. Bathtub and shower, 2 sinks. And then we'll go down another floor. To get to the living room, dining room, kitchen, and family room. Lots and lots of space in here. Beautiful cabinetry. And then we can pop on into the living room, dining room area. Built-in fireplace. Lots and lots of deck space. We'll just step out here for a moment just so you can see how amazing and beautiful this deck is. Overlooking the canyon. There are a lot of very mature trees. They smell amazing. Off to the side, there's an extra bathroom, as well as the washer and dryer. It's half bath down here, as opposed to the full bath upstairs and downstairs. And then we have our big, huge, enormous living room area. There's decks off of both sides. And then if we go down one more floor, then we find our other 3 bedrooms. Got a lot of closet space as well. This is a nice big huge closet right underneath the stairs. And then our first bedroom, right underneath the trees. Good amount of closet space. Step into the next one. Again, right underneath the trees, lots of closet space. We've got our last bedroom here. Again, lots and lots of light in here. And then another full bathroom. So I hope that you can join us soon and come and see this house. and we look forward to seeing you soon.